Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Just a disclaimer before I continue, I am not a tax practitioner. I'm not a professional in this field. I'm simply doing this video to help others out there. What I've realized is that people end up paying a lot of money for something that they could have done themselves free of charge. With that being said, if you want to know what your tax number is and you are definitely sure that you do have a tax number, you do not need to go to the SARS offices. All you have to do is go to the SARS homepage, which is www.sars.gov.za. Click on what's my tax number, and it will take you to a different page where you have to fill in your details. Choose where you would like to receive your tax number, either via SMS or email. Fill in your title, initials, your name, surname, email address, your cell number, and your ID number. Once you're done, click on submit and fill in the captcha and click on validate, and just like that you will receive your tax number either by SMS or email. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.